Hello there, a Chokushiman? A pagoda? And cherry blossom? Am I in Japan? I wish I were. Located west of central London, visitor can take the District Line tube to the Kew Gardens station in about 25 minutes. So why Kew Gardens is plural, not singular? Well, in 1772, King George III inherited Kew Estate and joined it with the Royal Estate in Richmond. Two gardens became one. Originally founded in 1840, the Royal Botanic Gardens at Kew, better known today as the Kew Gardens, is one of the most extensive and important botanical gardens in the world. Did you know the Kew Palace is the smallest royal palace in the UK? It was a popular getaway of King George III. The palace was gifted to the people by Queen Victoria in 1837. There is this 18-meter tall walkway near the middle of the park. It is made from over 400 tons of weathered steel. The walkway's rusted columns are designed to blend in with the natural environment. You could enjoy the view from the top and be able to see many parts of the gardens. Designed by Professor Fukuhara Masao, the Japanese gardens opened in 1996. The Chokushiman, however, has a much longer history than this. It was gifted to the Kew in 1910 after its inclusion in the Japan-British exhibition in London. It is a 4/5 scaled-down replica of the Kalamon of the Nishi Honganji Temple in Kyoto. The Greek pagoda was designed in the 18th century by the English architect Sir William Chambers for the royal family, and it was completed in 1762. Sir Chambers traveled to China twice, and the design was greatly influenced by the buildings he saw at the time. The Hive, originally created for the UK Pavilion at the 2015 Milan Expo, it now lives in the gardens. At a towering 17 meters tall, the Hive is a striking installation in the heart of a wildflower meadow that recreates life inside a beehive. In the background, a musical symphony responds to the activity. You might notice that every sound is performed in the key of C, the very key that bees buzz in. By the way, if you enjoy cherry blossom, check out one of my older videos. The Temperate House reopened in 2018 after a major 5-year renovation project. The Temperate House is home to 1,500 species of plants from Africa, Australia, New Zealand, the Americas, Asia, and the Pacific Islands. Some of the oldest surviving plants can be found here and around the gardens. Just stick around and you will see. This is the Pagoda tree, one of the oldest and most iconic trees at the Kew, transplanted from the Duke of Argyll's collection at Whiteton after his death in 1762. This tree once stood 15 meters tall, but why this tree has grown this way remains a mystery. Planted in 1982, this other tree is an example of a younger and straighter pagoda tree. A relaxing afternoon would not be completed without a traditional English afternoon tea. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.